All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that I don't want you guys to miss. It got beaten down because of earnings. It may possibly be an opportunity, but it's something to watch moving forward. So it's not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions in any of the stocks I mentioned here on the channel, but it is something to be aware of. And I just want you guys to be aware of it beyond just looking at ZOM Stock. So I always do this because I make these chart analysis out of gratitude, and I want to always share more information beyond just the stocks you're doing research on, just to give you guys something more to be aware of in the markets that may present itself as an opportunity. Now, here we are with ZOM Stock, Zomedica Corp. ZOM Stock has actually had a run up, right? Holding itself up above $1, broke through the 50-day moving average, and just fell right back down. Now, we see it above $1, 105. There's some real strength there. 104 is the support, 105, it's holding itself up. 104 is the first support. Now, if that gets broken through, the next support would be down here, and that is literally close to $1. Okay, this is an informal support level. It has nothing to do with the chart anywhere showing any supports, but that's just a support I would call it, and I would look at. As long as the stock is above $1, there's some strength. Keep that in mind. Now, the true support being the lowest part of the day after, right, the whole entire drop here and starting the day off in pre-market is down here at 99 cents. So literally, I'll just round it up, $1 informally. It's not really a support level, but it is an important point in the chart right now. Okay, so what is our resistance level and 50-day moving average? So the 50-day moving average is 106. We're currently sitting at 106. So this is a difference from the thousands and hundreds place. So 106 definitely needs to be broken through, pulled away from to the upper direction, so this can go ahead and hit newer highs and new resistance levels. Once that's accomplished, the first resistance level in bullish territory is 108. The bulls need to break through that to reach newer highs and pull upwards or further away from the 50-day moving average, allowing the bulls to continue an upward momentum. So we're going to have to see how this plays out. As long as ZOM stock is above $1, it's showing some strength and having a chance, right, to push upwards. But if it continues with this weakness and actually falls below it, then the stock is losing traction and the bears are gaining control. As always, if you found something helpful or informative in this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to smash the like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and helps out by letting me know that you are aware of me and my efforts, and it lets me know that you appreciate the time and effort that I put into these videos. So thank you guys so much, and let's jump right into the next part of this video. So the ticker symbol I have for you guys today is a blue chip stock, and some investors would say this stock has no value. Others would say it might get out of the hole with its innovation to catch up in the EV sector. And I've already seen their car out on the road, actual consumers driving it. It looks pretty nice, and we're going to talk about it in just a moment. But before we do, I do want every single investor and viewer to be aware that I have a Patreon. The link is down below, and a Discord. Either or will take you over to the tiers. And once you join on in, you'll gain access to both, to the Patreon and Discord. And one of the best things of joining, it's not the stocks I talk about that I'm watching or I'm looking at, right? Because it's not financial advice, and I'm not there to tell you to buy, sell, or hold any positions on any of the stocks I watch. But by joining, you get to see what I'm looking at, right? Weekly as well as daily. But you'll also join in a community of 140 plus members already that are all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits, minimize losses, and all like-minded in the same goal and path, right? To go ahead and go through the volatility of the market, maximizing profits, minimizing losses, and learning and growing through the process. So if that's something you're interested in, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below, and there's the Discord link and the Patreon link that will both redirect you over to the tiers. They're filling up pretty quickly, and we look forward to having you join us. So what's the ticker symbol you should add to your watch list? Keep it close and keep an eye on, right? This is not financial advice, and I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold any positions in this stock or any of the stocks I mentioned, but this is a stock that took a beating, and it's already gone up a total amount after hitting the high of the day of almost 40 cents just today alone after that beating. Now, what happened? They did really well in earnings, but the CEO or someone stated in the meeting, right, the conference call, and the forward outlook of Ford was not going to be as strong. That's what made investors actually jump out and say, you know what, this is the ride I rode, I'm out. Like, a lot of investors were just cashing out and leaving. Now, could this have been an overreaction? That's why you want to add this to your watch list and look for a consolidation or for the stock to pull back even lower for more weakness until it hits a bottom. No one knows the bottom, but you could watch it, right, closely. This could have been the bottom, or there could be another one. That's why you want to watch it closely moving forward. Interesting enough, too, earnings was expected to be 0.30, and it was beat by a lot, actually, more than the average times that they've beat it, but they beat it by 0.59. Now, the expectation for the next quarter is 0.16 negative, right? If they beat that, they're on track to becoming profitable again. But if they get real close to this, this is actually now becoming unprofitable. And that's something as an investor you want to be aware of, because a lot of investors are saying Ford is unprofitable. They had a bad year, right, in 2020 of negative 1.2 billion, right, in net income. So Ford has some numbers to prove, and that was a great quarter, and even after that great quarter, it got destroyed. And I think it has a lot to do with the outlook of Ford, the chip shortage, and so forth. But Ford has a stake now in the EV sector, and I think that's what's going to make it competitive and innovative to have a chance. But it needs to produce, and it needs to show results through its numbers and the net income and become profitable, not be a net income of negative 1.2 billion. But we're going to go ahead and see how things play out moving forward. Could this have been an overreaction and the market continue to pull this one up? Possibly. That's what you want to watch. If there's a consolidation, healthy pullback even lower for more weakness until it starts to hit a floor or a bottom. No one knows it, but you can watch closely for it or see between the behavior of the charts previously to how it's acting at that present moment, whether it's a week from now, 2 weeks from now, a month from now. But right now, the stock has pulled upwards, and it took a hit of $1 and some change. So this is definitely one to watch moving forward. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.